Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to code a game using a microbit in Microsoft Makecode. So right now I'm in a Microsoft Makecode main page. So I'm coming to the microbit. We will create a new project, and my today's game is coin flipper. So we will write here coin flipper game. Create. So now you can see a screen where in the left side you can see a microbit, and the right side you have to code using blocks. So the first thing we need to do is that we will remove this on start and the forever block. In this project we don't need an on start and a forever block. Second step is that we will use an on button A pressed. Then we will use a logic block, and we will use an if and else statement. Then we will go to math and select pick random true or false in this place. Then if pick random true and false, then show an happy face. And then what will be our happy face then? We will give show string to indicate what is our this icon. So I am writing here heads, as this icon is heads for me in this microbit. Now if I wrote an if and I got an else statement, if I choose this, then if it doesn't come, then what should we do? That's what we need to say. If this output doesn't come, then show that icon. So I'll put in show icon once again. Sorry, not there. Yeah, there. And we will put an start face, and that will be my tails. If heads doesn't come, then tails will come. So I will name this as tails for myself. Okay. So now our game is almost done. So the last step to do is that we will show icon. This procedure will be done 4 times. Oops, not this one. Yeah, I think that much is enough. Yeah, that much is enough. Now I have to change the icons. Same icon will not fit for everything. So let's put this one, and this one, and this one. Our game is actually done. Let's figure it out how our game works. So let's click on a button A pressed. Okay, what's the result? Yes, heads game. Okay. You can also play with your friends if you possibly can. Yeah, again heads game. Yeah. So let me see. I'll choose tails probably. Now he come. Come on, come on. Ah, I lost the toss. Okay. Let's see again. Let's play one last time. I choose heads for now. Tails game. I lost again. Okay, so game is like that. Lucky chance. So I hope that if you like my video, thank you for now.